Oh man, I feel real Caribbean today. I'm about to do a Caribbean Jamaican island feast, man. Feel the love. Feel the love. I feel real good today. Jamaica, Caribbean on the islands too. Let me shimmy one time for you. Oh, mama, I see you over there. Come with me, baby. Come with me, baby. Yeah, Jamaica. A Jamaican feast is coming. Corn, fish, tropical, Tex-Mex, everything you can think of, mommy. Oh, I'm feeling real shimmy today. Mommy, let's go. Hey, what's up, Hoofo? This is Jeremy.
And Rashad.
So, today, y'all, listen. I'm in a real festive mood. Feeling real festive. I'm gonna go to the Bermuda Islands today. But now, today, y'all, I wanted some corn salad and fish tacos. Now, I know y'all said, Jeremy, I thought you don't like soft tacos, because I don't like soft tacos. Y'all know that. But today, I'm going to be in a festive mood, and we're going to do some fish tacos with corn salad inside. Don't that sound good and delicious? Come with me. Come. All right, so I'm starting off. I shuffle whatever you call them, 4 things of corn. I pull them out the husk, got all the strings off I could, and I'm putting them down in some boiling hot water. When the last time you had some corn on the cob?
It's been a while.
I haven't had corn on the cob in a while. All right, so I'm gonna let this boil for about 6 minutes, then I'm gonna take it off the heat. All right. Before I went to the meat department, and I'm using tilapia. I haven't had tilapia fish in so long. When I said so long, like long time ago. But I had them to get, look down here. You know how they do on the cooking shows. Make sure you start out with good tilapia. This tilapia right here came from a farmland in Alabama somewhere. Ooh. This fish need a douche. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is wash my tilapia off. Get my board out the way, real fast. I'll be right back for you, boy. So these, I was gonna get 4 of these, but I said these some big pieces. This is a real big piece of tilapia. I never even know tilapia came this big.
That is a nice piece.
I know, so I had got 4, but I said, no, that's real big, just give me 2. All right, so what I'm doing, I'm pet drying my tilapia. I want to get all the excess water out of them, because I am going to bake these. These are going to be baked, roasted, blackened, whatever you want to call them, tilapia. It'll be in the title there, what's the final name for them I come up with. Alright, so let's get started on the seasonings. So I'm finna get started with my seasonings. Normally, what I tell y'all is season your food how you want to season. I really can't tell y'all how to season your food, but this time I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of everything. I'm starting off with this Jamaican season. Rashad, what all seasonings we have in there? Can we see them seasonings? Can you read them to the people? Or can they read them they damn self?
Oh, well, stop moving. They can read them.
Y'all know I can't be still.
Salt, garlic, onion. Keep zooming out.
Well, I'm moving. I can't stay still.
Black pepper, cayenne, pepper flakes, dried thyme, paprika, and citric acid.
All right, so this is, like I said, this is a Jamaican season mix. I'm only using a half a teaspoon of that.
Where you get that from?
I found on side the road. Anyway, get down here, man. Damn, what part of get down here you don't understand? Seriously, damn, down here, they don't want to see my face. I hate when when I watch the Cooking Network, and I be watching different people, they be in the cook's face too much. Bitch, stay on the food. You don't need to see my face. They know how I look. Anyway, so I got a half a teaspoon of that Jamaican mix. I'm also using a half a teaspoon of paprika. I'm also using a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm putting in some parsley. Now with parsley, I'm just gonna sprinkle about that much. That might be a little over half a teaspoon. And shit, it won't come out. Onion powder. A little. I don't damn care. This ain't no proper cooking show. This real. This how you really cook at home. I cook how people really cook at home. Most people for real ain't pulling out no damn measuring spoons and all that shit. You don't cook like that home. Yeah, eyeballing. They eyeballing. If you got one eye, everything you cook is eyeballing. And I will put no, I ain't gonna put no whole. Let me see. Do my smaller one. This is 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt because the Jamaican stuff already salt is here. So I'm gonna stir this around like this. Ooh, that smells good. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna take my fish and I'm gonna spray my pan with cooking spray. Alright, I'm also gonna spray the fish itself. Cooking spray. One side. One side. Well, let's do it like this. Alright, so here go my seasoning mix. Make sure we get it all in them corners. It's a lot of fish. I should have got one piece. Cause we gonna be able to make tacos for days out there. Flip it over. Get that side. Hey, enough perfectly. And massage the meat. Massage the meat. Now, one other thing, I am gonna add a little more paprika to this. Alright, hold on. Because I need that color. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of paprika. Paprika don't do nothing but what? Give it color. And I'm gonna spray it one more time with my cooking spray. God damn it. And here go my fish. I'm putting it in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. This is a little over a pound of fish. Cause there's like half a pound a piece. So this is a total of a pound. So the little over a pound of fish right here. For 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Alright, so here go my corn. 6 minutes later, it's not all the way cooked because I don't want it all the way cooked. I want a little bite to it. You know, I want it to be a little hard like some dentures. Anyway, that corn look good. All I put in the water was salt. So this was salted water. 6 minutes. If I break some of it off, what they gonna be called? If I break some of this off the side, what is that called?
Shaved corn.
Corn chips. Anyway, I need to let this cool off, y'all. Then we're gonna go on and do what we do next. Alright, here folks, so I let my corn cool down a good little bit. I'm gonna take my knife and go down the side of it like this. Ooh. Like that. I'm gonna break it up in my bowl. Y'all got that? Do I need to repeat again like in class? For the ones in the back? I'm gonna make me some corn on the cob one day and just eat it. I haven't eaten corn on the cob in so long. I kind of cut back on corn because I love corn. I love corn. But I cut back on corn a lot because carbohydrates. And my weakness is corn, chip, Doritos, all chips made out of corn. So good. I'm gonna break it in my bowl like that. Nice old corn salad. I saw somebody make this on a video and I said, bro, this just how I like. I want me one of them right there. Alright, so I got all my corn cut up. And I'm gonna get all this. You know one thing I hate when I see cooking videos, especially Food Network, why people be leaving so much food on the cutting board and stuff. I can't stand that. I get all the corn. This is gonna be a lot of corn salad, so you might get ready to salad your ass up all week eating corn salad till it's all gone, Rashad.
That's fine.
Alright. You can use cherry tomatoes, but I didn't want to buy no cherry tomatoes because they was like $3. So I got some Roma tomatoes. This is 3 Roma tomatoes diced up. Also, this is a red onion.
Yeah.
I have never bought a red onion in my life. I hate red onion, but I hope this is good because I never tried this before. But this is a half of a red onion, a small red onion. And one thing that's funny, when I cook them other onions, them white onions and yellow onions, they don't burn my eyes. But this particular onion is burnt the hell out of my eyes. I thought I was about to put some grease in my face. Alright, so this recipe called for jalapenos, but I don't like pepper. But I'm only using 1 teaspoon of jalapeno. That's it. It calls for 2 whole jalapenos, but I don't like jalapenos at all. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, it'll be better. Also, I'm doing 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Well, not whole chili powder. That's half of a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. And so let's say it again. Half of a 1/4 of chili powder, and to fill it on out, this is Nashville hot chicken seasoning. It's not really chicken seasoning because it got cayenne pepper, paprika, and a lot of different flavors in here. So that's gonna be 1/4 teaspoon of that. Got that? Alright, so I'm gonna make a vinaigrette. Look at this vinaigrette I'm finna make. I'm finna use one of my mason jars. This is 1/4 cup of lime juice. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Good olive oil.
1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Then we finna just shake it, baby. Up here. Shake, watch me shake. Shake it, baby. I'm Jamaican. Shake it, mama. Shake it, California love. Alright. So I'm just gonna put it on top of this, like that. When you cook, make sure you follow the recipe how you want to follow it and give it a stir. Now I did omit some steps in here because some of the stuff the recipe called for I didn't want. Like some other type of peppers, I didn't want all that. That look good, don't it? Mm-hmm. Ooh, it better be good. I'm gonna put some foot in somebody's ass. I'm gonna add a little salt to taste. I'm gonna start it with about that much because I had already seasoned my salt when I cooked it, my corn when I cooked it, and a little pepper, and then I want to add some. This is avocado.
Sauce and lemon juice, right?
Shit, toss them in your ass you want to, and just stir it up like that. I don't know how it tastes, but it sure smells good.
It do.
Alright. Always taste your food when you're cooking. You don't have to wait till the review. It is taste your food. Make sure it tastes good. Come up here. This is entertainment. It's good. Now I'm gonna tell you the truth. And need one other thing though.
More salt.
Just a little bit more salt. A little more salt. And this is good. I never thought I would even want something like this. This gonna go good with them damn tacos, baby. Taste again, make sure.
Motherfucker.
Right on the money. All right, here, folks. 20 minutes later, let's take this tilapia out of the refrigerator. Damn.
I say, damn, you haven't even cooked it yet.
It's already cooked.
Oh, and you taking it out the refrigerator?
You said the fridge, this mean the stove down here. Well, woo. Look at it. Moses got in his oven and departed the Red Sea. That looks good. That is fully cooked. Yep. That's fully cooked. So I'm gonna let this sit and rest for about 10 minutes. And while it rests, I'm gonna make a little spicy tartar sauce to go on top of this. Alright, folks, so I'm gonna make some spicy tartar sauce. This ain't too complicated. It ain't hard. You don't gotta make a big deal out of it. Start off with any kind of bottled tartar sauce you like. Any kind you like. And we just gonna add some extra flavor to it. This stuff don't want to come out. Alright, to that, I only want to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. That's it. To that, I want to add onion powder. About that much, onion powder. To that, I want to add some pickles. These are diced pickles. Now, the spice that comes in with hot sauce. I'm using Crystal. Y'all know I told you I'm weak. I can't do a lot of heat. About that much Crystal.
Boo.
Oh, get the hell out of here. I need a little sugar. Since this is a somewhat healthy recipe, I'm using a little of my swerve. About that much. And a dash of paprika. Just as food people thinking it's spicy and they're gonna turn it red and you think you're doing something, you got that red soup in it and just stir it like that. That smells good. Let's give it a taste. That's good. But it needs stay right there. It's good, but we're supposed to be making it a little spicy, so I am gonna put I mean when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit of cayenne pepper. I don't need you to get out. It ain't your turn today. Y'all, I'm scared of this stuff right here. Oh hell no. Shit, that ain't getting enough. Oh hell no. See, that's a damn lie. No, I'm alright. That's too much. Bruh, no. When you get your taco, you put all you want there. Cayenne pepper do not play with a motherfucker like me. I don't like heat. I can't do heat. This already messing with me. Woo. Woo. Ooh, I'm getting weak. I get so weak in the throat. I can hardly speak. I lose all control when this heat get on my ass. Let me try it like them. Perfect. Too hot. Ooh. That's perfect. Perfect for me. Now, if you want yours to be super hot, add more cayenne pepper. For it's me in my house, that's spicy enough for me.
No, just you. Not you in your house. Just you. I like it spicy. When I eat spicy fish, I like it spicy.
We ain't hearing you, bro. I heard folks, so I'm gonna do tacos. I'm using these low carb wraps. I put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to warm it up a little bit. All right, these are my tilapia fillets. I'm just gonna divide them in half. Right there. Don't hide that. Divide that. Y'all fill in the blanks. All right, so I'm taking a little of my salad. Put it on this side like this. I'm taking one of my fish right here. Put it on the top. Roll it over. There you go. Now let's get a picture and see do it taste good. Alright, here folks, y'all. My flowers died, but that don't stop nothing. You gotta improvise sometime. Thanks, babe, for my vase and flower. I still got me. Give me my flowers while I'm alive. Anyway, so let's get down here to this taco. Alright, so here go my tartar sauce I made. My little spicy tartar sauce. I'm put just a little on there. Like that. And again, I already know I told y'all I don't like soft tacos, but that damn it, don't be in the. Ooh, I thought you don't like soft tacos, Jamie. Y'all love to say that. Now you gotta throw the head to the side. This is so good. That tilapia season, so good. That flavor's a little spicy from that tartar sauce. And corn salad, it give it a different kind of tropical Tex-Mex flavor, along with my island blackened roasted tilapia bone apple tea. This is so good. Y'all should try this if you got time. This is so good. By the time you took the camera down there, I thought he was gonna never put the camera down here on the food. Look how I look inside. Look how I look inside. Let me get another bite, just to make sure. I'm putting too much in my mouth. I'm happy. Let me get me a napkin. I'm happy. This is good. This is seasoned so good, it gives you some kind of party in your mouth. And this is a legal party in your mouth. Because a lot of y'all be having parties in your mouth and you ain't even getting paid for them parties. As we saw about last night, you're 40. I'll cash that to you, Rashad. You ready to taste it?
Yes.
Look how I'm sweating. Woo. Caribbean island. Caribbean island. Caribbean island. Caribbean island.
Alright, so let me give it a try.
Oh.
First, I'm gonna try the corn salad because I want some more of this from. I tasted it earlier. It was good. All right, now let's try this soft taco.
Big bite.
Okay. The mixture of the corn salad, the fish, and the spicy tartar sauce, good. Rolls well together. The fish is very flavorful, seasoned good. And the corn salad, of course, is good.
You want tilapia again?
I don't know if I eat tilapia again because I had stopped eating it. But anyway, it's good. I ain't got no problem with it. It's banging. Let me get a little bit more of this corn though.
Wait, man, now.
Ooh. It's starting to make me feel a little like Caribbean island. Caribbean island. Let's drink this bumblaka drink, my man.
What are you drinking, man? What are you drinking?
Oh, Rastafari, man. This is very good.
What is this drink called?
This drink is called Kool-Aid and lemonade. Anyway, hood folk, that's it. Try the recipe. Everything is good. On point.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yep, like, comment, subscribe. It's awesome, dude.
Oh man, no.
Anyway.
This ain't this time.
Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and also press that ugly ass bell button to get notified whenever we put up new content, new videos, and everything else. So, hood folks,
Peace.
deuces.
Caribbean island, Caribbean island, Caribbean island, Caribbean corn salad island, and tilapia fish and black fish out of this.